Now, your Storm Tracker team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Sam Parrish.
Welcome back, everyone. A very summer-like afternoon across the area. Just a few puffy cumulus clouds here and there. Some thunderstorms off in the distance. Currently, we're sitting at 84 degrees. The dew point is 73. So as a result, it feels like 90 degrees out there. South wind at 9 miles an hour. Here's a look at our exclusive live Viper. Quite a bit of storm activity, especially to the east and southeast of town right now. Let's zoom in on this activity. You see this just to the east of Holton and also to the near Franklinton down to Folsom and Martinville. Then some other scattered showers down to the south around Thibodaux and also around Laplace, and then more scattered storms back to the west near Lafayette and New Iberia. So they're dotted around the area, and as a result, we've seen some rainfall amounts around 1/3 of an inch in Macomb, around 2,800ths in Jackson, and 2,800ths also down in Franklin. So there have been hit and miss thunderstorms. And as we go through the next few days, we're going to continue to add rain totals, generally around 1/3 to 1/2 an inch in some of the cells, and maybe an inch or so in some of the heavier storms with some localized flash flooding. Temperatures right now are generally in the low to mid 80s, although it is 88 in Gonzales right now for the hot spot. And of course, it's humid with temperatures, dew points in the mid to upper 70s. It's very sweltery, and as a result, it feels like 99 in Thibodaux right now, 94 in Jackson, same thing in Woodville, as well as New Roads, 92 here in the city. Satellite view shows quite a bit of storm activity over the boot today, extending over into Alabama. But look at these storms up in Kansas, producing a tornado just south and west of Wichita not too long ago. That's going to form a complex which will roll to the south and east, and that may introduce enough instability tomorrow to keep the storm chances a little bit more widespread, as this weakness in the ridge is still over us, and until that moves out of here, we're going to continue to see the storm chances. But as we head towards the weekend, the ridge of high pressure kind of builds in from the north, and that will start to squash some of the storm chances. But a big trough on the west coast will introduce storm chances once again once we start the work week. Temperatures tomorrow are going to be very warm along with scattered thunderstorms, and then that's going to continue, like I said, into your Thursday as well as Friday with scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. But once the sun goes down, the storm chances start to decrease just a little bit. Rain chances are going to be with us all week into the weekend with highs near 90 and lows in the mid 70s. All right, let's go back to the news desk with Christina and Andre.